Making a man more interested in you can be an exciting prospect. There are a few simple steps to follow to make yourself more appealing and capture his attention. Firstly, it's important to be confident and comfortable in your own skin. Confidence is attractive and it allows you to showcase your true self. So be proud of who you are and embrace your unique qualities. Secondly, show genuine interest in him, engage in conversations, and listen attentively to what he has to say. Ask questions and show curiosity about his hobbies, interests, and experiences. This not only makes him feel valued, but also creates a connection between the two of you. Additionally, take care of yourself and showcase your best qualities. Dress in a way that makes you feel confident and represents your personal style. Take care of your physical appearance by exercising, maintaining good hygiene, and practicing self-care. When you look and feel your best, it naturally attracts others. Furthermore, it is important to have a life outside of the relationship. Pursue your own hobbies, interests, and goals. Having a fulfilling life will make you more interesting and give you plenty to talk about. Lastly, be yourself and be authentic. Don't try to be someone you're not just to gain his interest. A genuine connection requires honesty and compatibility. It's important to keep in mind that while these steps can increase your chances of capturing a man's interest, it does not guarantee that he will develop feelings for you. Every person is unique, and attraction is subjective. So be patient, and if it's meant to be, things will fall into place naturally. Did we forget any useful tips? Let us know in the comments below. Also, let us know what you'd like to learn more about next.